What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to fix your PS4 yellow light, either on your PS4 console or either your PS4 controller if you have a yellow light with that. And I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas Eve or Merry Christmas whenever you're watching this video in 2021 or 2022. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So if you're getting this yellow blinking light on your PS4, that means that it is stuck in rest mode. So the first thing you need to do is hold it for 15 seconds until you hear one beep. And this is going to fully turn off your PS4. So just hold it. Just keep holding it until you hear a beep. And you see it actually just stopped just then. So now we're going to let it go. Okay, so now once your PS4 is fully off, what you want to do now is unplug the power cable. And this is going to stop any currents from, running through it. So that way you can, give it some time to cool off. And we're going to wait about 15 seconds. And we're going to try to plug it back in and turn it back on. Okay, so once the 15 seconds are up, now all you got to do is plug your PlayStation back in. You should hear that snap. It should be good. Okay, so now once you've done that and plugged the power cable in, you don't want to encounter that problem again. So what you want to do next is you want to hold your power button, but until you hear 2 beeps, you don't want to let go of it. So let's hold it now. So you hear that first beep, and then once you hear the second beep, that's when you can let go. So just keep holding it until you hear the second beep. All right, so now let go of your PS4 power button. All right, so now you see up here, it says connect the DualShock 4 using a USB cable. And we're gonna do that now. And I have my customized PlayStation 4 controller here, so it doesn't matter, but go ahead and plug the USB cable in. And then plug your PS4 controller up, just like that. And it should light up yellow. And now all you have to do is press your home button on your PS4 controller. Just like that. And now, on your TV or your monitor, whatever you're using, it should come up like that. And what we want to do now is rebuild the database. And this is going to prevent your PlayStation from, getting stuck in that rest mode. Because you may have corrupted it from, unplugging it while it was on. Or maybe your power went out. So we're going to press OK. But this should work for all PlayStations. It's coming back on now. You can see it's showing the white light. And now it says, it's checking the system storage status. Do not turn off the PS4. And you see it's already done now. And it's restarting itself. So you just got to be patient and wait. And it's showing a white light now. So, that's how you know you're on the right track. All right, so now you should see the PS4 logo right here. That's coming up. I mean, it's powering on. And it's now rebuilding the database. And this is just to prevent your future issues, but it's not going to change anything to a point where you can't access your games or anything like that. It's just going to, rebuild it to the point where it won't get corrupted or, get stuck in the rest mode. Okay, and it's now on fully, and your PlayStation should be working correctly. And now we're gonna go to the PS4 controller fix. You wanna have your PS4 fully on, and you want to turn it off just like this. You wanna hold it, 1, and you should hear another click, 2, to get it fully off. 2. All right, so then you can just let go of it and just wait till it turns off completely. The light just turns off completely and just wait. It should only take about 10 to 15 seconds
or 20 maybe. It depends on how fast your PS4. Because if you have a PS4 Pro, it may run a little quicker, so it may turn off quicker. All right, so it's turned off like that. And once it turns off, you want to unplug the power cord from the back of it, so it has no power going into it. So just unplug that power cord. Let's get this out. All right, unplug it. Okay, once you have that done, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and plug your USB cable into your PS4. All right, and plug that in. Just put this right here. All right, now get your PS4 controller, and you want to find the PS button on it right here in the middle, and you want to get on the share button right here at the top. This button right there where it says share. And you want to press those two together. So just press them together, just like that. All right, then you should get a blink just like that. All right, once you get that blink, you want to go ahead and plug your PS4 back up. But do not turn it on yet. Just plug it up. Hold on. Let's get this in. All right, it's plugged up. All right, so now you want to get these two fingers. And you want to get your middle finger right here. And you want to turn your PS4 on with your middle finger. And as it turns on, just plug it up really quick. And just keep pressing the PS4 button. And it should come on just like that. And this is how you fix your PS4 controller yellow light of death fix, okay? But I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And make sure you turn on that notification bell to get notified for every upload on my channel. But we'll be back to show you how.